needs a bath. Bibo the bear has been playing in the garden all morning. "We're going out soon, Bibo. You must get ready," says Mama Bear. "I'm ready, Mama," says Bibo, wiping his muddy paws on his shirt. "No, you're all dirty. You need a bath." Bibo thinks baths are a waste of time. "I dislike baths," he says, stamping his muddy feet. "Bibo, you need to get clean," says Mama Bear. "Why?" Bibo protests as Mama Bear runs the bath. "Because bears with bad breath, sweaty feet, and dirty fur really don't smell good," says Mama Bear, holding her nose. Mama has filled the tub with lots of bubbles and a brand new bath toy. Surprise! Oh, wow! Bibo plays and splashes and makes bubble beards. He is having such a fabulous time. "Bibo, I think you're done," Mama Bear says and chuckles loudly. "All right, Mom, but I think I love baths now," Bibo says as he finally comes out of the bathtub. Bibo's flower garden. Bibo the bear loves flowers. He has a beautiful flower garden full of different flowers. He wants to make a beautiful bouquet of flowers with his friend Mino the monkey. Bibo looks at the big daisies, yellow in the middle with thin white petals. Mino looks at the carnations in pinks and purples with frilly petals. Bibo sniffs the beautiful yellow and red roses. Bibo studies the yellow daffodils. Mino likes the smell of the violet lavender. They are about to pick the flowers. "You should leave them out here for everyone to enjoy," says Sarah the sheep as she walks by. Immediately, Bibo takes out a camera from his pocket. "You're right, Sarah. I won't pick flowers. I'll just take beautiful pictures of them." Bibo's tummy trouble. It's a bright sunny morning, but Bibo isn't feeling too well. I feel weird," he says. "Mommy, I feel sick," says Bibo to his mom. "Oh dear, let's take you to the doctor," she replies. "I'm scared, Mommy," says Bibo. Mom hugs him lovingly. "You'll be fine, my dear." As they enter the doctor's office, the doctor greets them with a smile. "How are you feeling today, Bibo?" he asks. "I feel strange," Bibo replies with a pout. The doctor chuckles. "Don't worry, Bibo. You'll be just fine." The doctor checks Bibo's tongue. Nothing wrong here. He checks Bibo's ears. No problem here. At that moment, Bibo's tummy rumbles loudly. Bibo looks at the doctor and says, Mr. Doctor, I think I have a tummy ache. The doctor laughs and gives a lollipop to Bibo. You're fine. You're just really hungry. I knew it. I was just hungry, Bibo replies happily.